When I press the start button, here the I20 is change its value 0 to 1. See. Same, when I push stop button, the value changed 1 to 0. Here, the I21's value changed 1 to 0. Here I am going to show you some outputs. When I change the output 030, then the green light will start. Now you can see the green light is start. When I change to 0, it's turned off. Same. When I change the 033.3, then the horizontal cylinder retract. When I change the 03.4, the vertical cylinder extended. When I change I303.5 to 1, then vertical cylinder retract. I have to change this one also. Now vertical cylinder is retracted. And I change the 03.6 to 1. The gripper cylinder extended.